Listen and read. A. Aim. Flight. Generation. Huge. Launch. Memorable. Prove. Satisfy. B. Aim. Somebody's aim. To achieve your aim. The aim of this project is to help the patients of our hospital. I knew very well how to achieve my main aim and become a doctor. Flight. A long flight. A flight from Moscow to London. To be on the flight. Gagarin's flight into space took only about an hour and a half. Generation. The older generation. The younger generation. The generation gap. 3 generations of the family live together in this old house. The generation gap may become a real problem and not allow different generations to understand each other. Huge. A huge castle. A huge country. Huge success. She arrived at the airport carrying 2 huge bags. The new play was a huge success. Launch. To launch a rocket into space. To launch a new ship. To launch a new project. Weather satellites are launched into space regularly. Memorable. A memorable day. A memorable journey. Our trip to Rome was really memorable. Last autumn was full of memorable events. Prove. 1. To prove something to somebody. She wanted to prove to her parents that she could live on her own. How can you prove that you are telling the truth? 2. His decision proved to be a good one. The disease proved very serious. Satisfy. To satisfy somebody. To satisfy one's hunger. Wish. John's progress at school satisfies both his parents and his teachers. A sandwich was not enough to satisfy his hunger. It is impossible to satisfy everyone.